If we start with IP, what it's doing is allowing you to have a very simple cabling infrastructure. So, for example, with our range of speakers that we've come out with, there is just one cable. It's referred to as the Ethernet cable. One cable that you connect into the back of it. It provides you with all the communications that you need, but also it provides you with the power. So we have another Ethernet standard. We have power over Ethernet, which provides power to the speaker itself. So we're going from having a lot of different cabling, a lot of different devices and things like this. We're putting all that into one box, and that box is a speaker. And it's exactly the same as we've done with the CCTV. It's simplifying the installation, the setup and the connection and the cabling. By putting everything into one box and having one cable that's going into it, and that's linking up to your network, you're cutting out a whole range of different pieces of equipment that make up the audio side of things. You're reducing the cabling, and you're also able to expand the number of speakers very easily, and you don't need to buy additional infrastructure to add more speakers on. You can just simply add the speakers on as you go along. So suddenly it drastically simplifies the network and speakers, but also reduces the number of different speakers and different equipment and everything that you need. And in that way you start to reduce the cost down. Well, with IP we can set up zones easily, so we can link leader speakers, and they can be connected to other speakers, the followers. So we can put 300 speakers as part of a zone. It is ridiculously easy to set up the zone. If you come onto one of our courses, we've got you setting up zones within a matter of minutes. Well, what we have in Luton is we have 16 terminals, 16 places. And what we do is split those 16 terminals into two groups, and each group has got our 4 main speakers at each table, if you see what I mean. So we've got 2 teams that have got that. And so each table will have a speaker, and they will get to know that speaker very well. And they'll know how to set it up, how to change the volume, all this kind of thing. And then what we do is then connect them together, and we get a person at the back who's part of the team to set up the zone and then communicate with the other speakers. So in effect we're setting up a complete system, but albeit on a small scale. We'll have theory side of it, explaining what we're doing and everything like that, and how it works, and then we get them to go hands-on and try it out. It's principally for people that are either new to IP, they might have had an audio background, but they're new to IP, want to know about how IP works and how you can set it up. But alternatively, it can be people from an IP background who want to find out more about audio and how they can use IP to get to the audio devices. I think the key takeaway is the simplicity of it. If people come away feeling, well, that was a bit easy, then that is exactly what we want them to do.